Welcome to DFI's booth at COMPUTEX 2018. I'm Debbie, DFI's product manager. A touch panel PC allows users for better visual demonstration of a control. With the built-in touchscreen that has full control system visually mapped out, the all-in-one design is more convenient for users to operate the equipment. On the other hand, it will require a huge cost while maintaining or upgrading. To overcome this shortcoming, DFI develops a brand new series of product line named Advanced Display Platform, empowered by 7th generation Intel Core and Intel Atom processor E3900 series. The concept of this platform is from modular design that users to combine their ideal display and the bus PC themselves. We provide several panels from 7-inch to 21.5-inch. Fulfill each requirement, it will be much easier to decrease the cost by upgrading certain modules instead of the whole unit. DFI Advanced Display Platform is a flexible and cost-effective option that can be easily customized to satisfy customers' requirements within factory automation, transportation, and versatile embedded applications. If you are interested in our solutions, don't hesitate to contact our sales representative or visit our website www.dfi.com.